Today we're going to review part number N3980. This is the Redline full-size non-locking steel flush door latch for enclosed trailers. This flush-mounted latch includes a stainless steel spring on the inside, and it has a plain rust-proof finish on the outside. It does have a paddle handle design that when you pull on it, it will release the latch on the inside, allow you to open the door on your trailer. This is a non-locking, so there are no locking cylinders on this latch to be able to lock it. This latch is designed to be installed in a mounting hole size of 3 3/8 by 4 5/8 dimensions. And it will also fit on a door thickness of up to 3/4 of an inch. And also one other thing on this, when the door is closed, this latch on the inside, it does have a threaded hole in it. And in that threaded hole you could find a bolt or a knob that would be able to screw in there. And that would give you a nice feature, a safety feature, that if the door closed and latched and locked in position, somebody on the inside could just take that knob or the lever and just push it, and it would allow you to unlatch it and open the door. And that should do it for a review on part number N3980.